Okay, so we got our rims back from powder coating. Now, we elected to go powder coating. The rims were in a fairly bad way. We tried vapor blasting them, didn't really work out well. We asked for the public's opinion on what to do. We offered a couple of options, and we went with what the majority said, which was a satin black powder coat. What that did was it hid a lot of the damage to the rim. All we need to do now is get them laced and trued. The hubs have been vapor blasted. It's going to look sick on this bike.
Joey, what are you doing?
I just got finished lacing up this wheel, about to true this wheel for the KX500.
Aren't you in the CR500 team?
Yeah, but boss man said I had to do it. It was back to the Home Depot parking lot. Traitor.